everyone, and happy Valentine's Day. Guess what? I am in beautiful Belize. My husband surprised us and took us on a trip to Central America. We're in this beautiful place. This is Placencia, and I just wanted to take you with us while we're here to show you what we've been doing since we've been here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Beautiful people. The people are so great. And look at this. The water is so blue and clean and clear. It's warm. We're just really enjoying ourselves. So happy Valentine's Day. And I'm going to show you a little bit of what we've been doing. So Belize is a Caribbean country located on the northeastern coast of Central America. Belize borders Mexico to the north, the Caribbean Sea to the east, and Guatemala to the west and south. Belize is the only English-speaking country in Central America and has a population of about 400,000. Its largest city is Belize City, where we are flying into direct from Atlanta. By the way, if you're traveling here, you will need a negative test result of COVID to get into the country, and we also showed our vaccination cards. After getting to Belize City, we are taking a small plane to Placencia, where we will be staying. Placencia is a small village peninsula on the southern Caribbean coast of Belize. When we arrived, the hotel had a driver pick us up, and actually she drove us around town and was so nice, showed us all the great places to eat and shop, and the small 17-mile strip that was right on the beach.
Omar's Creole bread here. They do a variety of seafood. They're very good. We have to recommend them. Okay. All the restaurants are good, but they do a variety of seafood.
What is this? There's a native kind of food?
Yeah, rice and beans, chicken. You can find it in almost all the restaurants.
So far, I checked the box of all of them.
So we were staying at a very nice place called the Elysian.
Roofing of the room. Alright. So here you have drinking water. Alright, there is a dispenser in the hallway that you can refill.
The Elysian has a very lovely space for us with great accommodations, and we had a very nice view of the sea and the pool from a really spacious deck. There's also a full bar right next to the pool. The people of Belize are so nice and great. We've been having a great time talking to them. The staff here will bring you anything and everything you need on the beach. It is a small resort, so the staff knows all of the guests, and there's also a beautiful restaurant above at the top and a full spa. So my husband picked a really perfect place for us. And since we've been here, we've been mostly relaxing and eating. They've been bringing us complimentary drinks and food on the beach. And we've also been enjoying a lot of local food. Rumfish restaurant is really good. Local food. Red curry snapper and
Ryan Murphy.
fried plantains. There are also quite a few little clubs and bars on the beach, right within walking distance of where we're staying. The next morning we took a ride out to Hopkins, another small town, and it was really nice to see the countryside and the Maya Mountains in the background. In Hopkins, we met up with a friend who gave us a really detailed history of the area and all the native culture and great things about Hopkins.
Remind me of Barbados.
And then we sat right out on the beach and had some really, really good food from a place called Ella's Cool Spot. Then Carla gave us a really nice tour.
Land out here, farms. Like if you go down that road, there's farms back there that people have as well. So that's the Maya Mountain Range. And so the sun, so from our property, you have the sunrise on the beach, but then you have the mountain range. You can see the mountain range from the lagoon, and so you can see the sunset on the mountain range from the lagoon side.
So there was a lot to see and learn in these little villages. The next evening we ate at the Muna, which is a restaurant above our resort, which was also very good. But this morning we're just going to relax on the beach. We're out early in the morning and see if we can see some tropical fish. Oh look, there are a few little ones. And it looks like there's not a lot out today. We'll have to go out with snorkels to see if we can find some big fish. My husband's out swimming already. This water is so very blue and clear. From the plane we can see straight down to the bottom of the sea. I even saw a turtle swimming, a giant turtle from the plane. It's just so peaceful and relaxing here. I need a nice long massage. I'm going upstairs to get one. So today is Valentine's Day and we decided to go to the Maya Center since we're here to find out how the Mayans who cultivated and discovered the cacao plant make chocolate. So this was very interesting. They show us how they grow different varieties of the plant. The seeds are separated from the outer shell. And this was a surprise. These seeds are covered by this fleshy, sweet-tasting fruit that reminds me of ackee. So they put these fleshy seeds in a box and let them ferment for a few days. The fleshy part turns into liquid that they use for wine, a chocolate wine. The hard seeds are then roasted, and that is used for cocoa beans that you can actually eat and chew on. And then the roasted beans, I believe, are crushed and the shells are separated, and it makes something that they call cocoa bits. These bits, they grind up with this special Mayan stone, which causes all the oils from the bits to come out. It mixes together to make this creamy, chocolatey substance that is the Mayan chocolate. They also separate the excess oil to make cocoa butter. So they use every part of the bean for a lot of different uses. I was even able to try my hand at it. So I got a chance to grind up the bits and make some chocolate. Anyway, the liquid chocolate is sometimes mixed with sugar. They make their own sugar, which is delicious and healthier than most sugars. But depending on the percentage of sugar, they have pure dark chocolate or different levels. The darker, the more nutritious it is for you. And then they put the liquid into molds and allow it to harden, and then we have the best, most authentic chocolate that is so delicious, made from the originators, the Mayans. And I can't think of a better treat for this Valentine's, Mayan chocolate. So right after that, we decided to go zip lining through the Maya mountains. And we climbed up the mountain for 7 different drops, and it was a lot of fun.
All right, grab the cable.
So by the time we got back, we worked up a great appetite for some really delicious food and nice tropical drinks. This was at Chachi's, and this was the perfect end to our great Valentine's Day. So I'm going to say goodbye right here. We're still on vacation, and I had to say we are having the best time ever here in Belize. The food here is just so incredible. This is from Maya Beach Bistro. This is Omar's, and this is Wendy's Restaurant and Bar. And yes, we have been eating a lot, but it's so good. And all of these restaurants are right here in Placencia. The Elysian Hotel is so beautiful, and the entire staff is so warm and accommodating. They'll just take care of any and everything for you. And when you're there, ask for Vanessa. She is awesome. She'll make the most incredible drinks for you. And like most of the people here, she's a thoughtful, kind, and beautiful person. So we're going to continue enjoying our Valentine's week, and I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, I just added new items to my Etsy store with free shipping. And if you need more detailed instructions on some of these projects, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full color step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page where you can pick up my multi-surface acrylic metallic paint, back in stock with 8 beautiful shimmering colors. You can mix millions of colors and create endless home beauty for indoor and outdoor projects. And while you're there, pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1 with all your favorite projects together in one big, beautiful, colored, step-by-step instruction book. On my Amazon page, you'll see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies used on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast and easy shopping and delivery convenience of Amazon. I'll be working every day to make crafting fun and easy for you. Follow me at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV on all social media for extra home, food, and gardening tips.